young Indians. What are the challenges and opportunities to young Indians in India? The young Indians are next generation and future of the nation. They will make India a self-reliant and developed nation. The young Indians has to adapt, learning continuously and innovate new things. This is for the success of VIKSIT Bharat concept by 2047. The necessity emerged due to rapidly changing geopolitical strategic landscape as well as the first phase of technological advancement present both challenges and opportunities. Means the changing geopolitical and strategic landscapes at the first phase of technological advancement are giving challenges as well as opportunities to the young Indians. The young Indians has to face tough life challenges that are out of syllabus. Means the young Indians has to know how to live after completing the education. Life is not only education. They have to face many challenges in the life, even above the education. The young Indian who continuously learns is the one who will win. The learning should be a continuous process, and innovation is the initiation to make it success. The aggressive push for comprehensive self-reliance across economic, technological and industrial sectors means young Indians has to concentrate more on economic, technological and industrial sectors to upgrade and update and better use of resources available to increase the productivity and production and quality. Youth empowerment is a foundation for VIKSIT Bharat. This is every young Indian has to think of how he can contribute for the economic development of India and how he can become financially sound and self-reliant, and he will contribute to the nation instead of expecting something from the nation. Means Sabka Sahyog. This is the most important contribution to be provided, to be extended by the young Indians for the development of the nation to achieve VIKSIT Bharat by 2047. Is it possible? Yes. Many of the young Indians are experts in technology, knowledge, as well as advancement of knowledge, advancement of usage, as well as the only thing required is their encouragement by the entrepreneurs and investors and administration to encourage the students in education institutions, maybe colleges, polytechnics, IITs, all these institutions has to encourage the students to innovate something which is beneficial and which creates new uses and adds value in increase the productivity, so that the quantity will increase, quality will increase, and the innovator will get the benefit of innovation by, when we have seen there are more than 2 lakh startups are there which are creating so many new innovations in India, which is helping the manufacturers, not only manufacturing sector but also the economic, electronic, communication, energy, all sectors are agriculture also being improved by using the advanced technology in many sectors. Now the young Indians are having opportunities as well as the challenges. They require the better way of communication, presentation and trust from the entrepreneurs as well as investors to initiate new innovation, to make it commercialized and make it viable for the development of the nation, as well as to create employment generation for themselves, and energy and efficiency improves and for their earning for better future.